Right.
I kind of feel bad.
Put him down.
Trail.
Put him down.
He's stuck.
Come on, Leon.
He's stuck.
Come on, baby.
Come on, Leon. Come on, Leon. Come on, Leon. Look, he's back. Come on, Leon. He's floating on top of it. He just can't get his leg just poke into it and he can't go in it.
Come on, baby. Come on back inside.
Come on, you know you want to go inside. Why are you out
Okay.
here? What are you thinking? He's almost be able to walk on top of it. Wait, come on.
Good boy.
Get away. So why